Good evening. We begin tonight with the snow. Much of Saskatchewan has been hit with
10 to 20 centimeters of snow is expected. City police and RCMP say they've responded to several crashes since the snow started falling. Drivers to use caution and slow down.
It is the morning of November 19th, -4 degrees. It is snowed up. This is my front driveway. We're going to attempt to go to work, see if we can get out of here. Let's get the car started. Alright, let's do it. Hopefully everything is torqued down. And holy fuck! It's snowing! Cleaning up his driveway. Nice. Here we go. Oh, looks like they already cleaned the road, which is good. Good on the city for that. They're always already quick to that, so I gotta give that to them. I think that's my friend. I don't know if it's gonna let me go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Traction control, it always saves me. Traction control saves me, so I always have it on. Oh, everyone's moving so slow. Hey, look, another WRX. Remember, early braking, easy on the brakes, easy on the gas. That's the way to go. That is my friend. Here we are again. So this is later in the day. We're going home from work. And yeah, it's been, I don't know if you can already see just how bad it's gone since the 9 hours ago this morning, you know. Okay, holy Jesus. Oh, we're gonna be scraping a lot of snow. You can already hear it probably. Oh boy. Night. Oh, can we make it? Yeah. See, nice and slow. We don't want any trouble. There we go. That's a sick-ass Mercedes. Easy. Yeah, very icy here. I don't like this. Oh, I got some patches of snow. That should be good.